Go through all those steps I showed you in terms of getting a description in there. You push it out there, you're good to go, right? Well, let's wait for the money to roll in. But that's not happening. It's not happening that quickly or that easily. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I am your stream guide Morphine, and I am making myself deaf because my levels are too high. Anyway, I am your stream guide Morphine, and welcome to the channel. Monetization. So you've created your channel. You're ready to create content. First thing is you really just got to figure out what kind of content you make, but that's not for this video. We'll talk about that some other time. But we're gonna assume that you know what content you want to create and you're ready to upload it. Go to that create link on your YouTube studio or just on the YouTube homepage, and then you upload your video. Go through all those steps I showed you in terms of getting a description in there. Push it out there. You're good to go, right? Well, let's wait for the money to roll in. But that's not happening. It's not happening that quickly or that easily. But you can monetize YouTube clearly. So what you can do when you're monetizing YouTube, what that really means is that you are bringing people to the platform, and you are going to be able to make money either through ad revenue. So you get a certain number of views of ads, and you get paid based on how many people are viewing it. You can make money through people joining your channel, which on Twitch would be called subscribing to your channel. The prices are different though on YouTube, but you can also make money through merchandise. You can link a store, so you can make money through the merch store. You can also make money through donations, and if you're doing live streaming, you can make money through people donating to have their chat pinned or colored different so they see it, or a special emotes or badges or things like that in the live stream. So you have multiple ways to make money directly through the YouTube platform. But YouTube also says, okay, not everybody's going to make a ton of money those ways. You can do additional things to make money. You can get paid sponsorships. Now, this isn't through YouTube. This is through you going out and sourcing yourself some additional companies who will sponsor you either with items or with cash to talk about their products. Now, I've talked about this before, I believe in one of my hard truth videos. Are they lying to you? When you get a sponsor and they're giving you products instead of cash, that in my opinion is still considered cash, because it's money you didn't have to take out of your own pocket to get a piece of equipment. So keep that in mind too. And whenever you do get a paid sponsorship and you upload your video, it asks you, do you have any paid sponsorships in this video? You have to say yes or no. If you don't, you're violating the terms of service, and if they look into it, they could probably close your channel down or at least demonetize one or more videos. So comply with the terms of service. The other thing you can do, and YouTube talks about affiliate links, like whether it's Amazon or whatever affiliate program you want to join through whatever company, you can link that into your YouTube. You can set up a Patreon account, which is another thing that YouTube recommends people to donate to you directly, because some people don't get a lot of views on their videos. Let's say that you're in a niche where you are popular and you're noticed, but there just isn't a lot of traffic. You're not going to see a lot of money coming through revenue, so you have to find other ways to do it. Sure, you can try to get people to join your channel, but maybe it's easier just to do a Patreon. Like if you're not doing live streams, if live streams just don't really work for the kind of content that you're producing, you're gonna need to do like Patreon or something like that to get additional money coming in. So now, to be able to take advantage of those monetization methods, you have to become eligible. In order to become eligible to monetize YouTube, you have to meet two requirements. You have to get 1,000 subscribers, and you have to get 4,000 hours watched. 4,000 hours watched have to come within a 12-month period. 1,000 subscribers, just like Twitch, when you hit your 50 or your 1,000 followers there, it's just a point in time. Whenever you hit it, right? Great. But 4,000 hours, it has to come inside of a calendar year. Let's say that you hit your 4,000 hours, you got your 1,000 subscribers, and you're now eligible to be a partner. Which, when you're eligible to be an affiliate, you just get a notification and you're just automatically an affiliate. It automatically happens. It's 1,000 subs, 4,000 hours. YouTube, when you hit partner, it's kind of like Twitch when you hit partner. You don't get to automatically become a partner. Um, just like Twitch, they send you, after some time, they send you an email saying, hey, congratulations, you're now eligible to be a partner. Do you want to apply? So what you do is you then go and apply for it. And I haven't seen the application myself, but you have to fill out a bunch of things. You have to also add in an AdSense account because that is how you get paid. You do those things, you fill out your application, you make sure you have your AdSense account, you submit the application, and then they take usually up to 30 days to review your application and to review your channel to see if they want you in the partner program. It is not automatic. And there's a lot of things they can look at to determine whether or not your channel is going to be eligible. If they find blatant violations of the terms of service, you may not be eligible to become a partner. If they find that your content violates their terms of service, you will not be eligible to become a partner. There's a lot of things they look at. They look at the quality that you're doing. They look at the type of content you're doing. They look at how often you're doing it. They look at your click-through rate. They look at the amount of likes versus dislikes. They look at the amount of comments you get, the amount of views you've gotten. They look at a lot of things to see if you should be eligible to be a partner. Now, if it does get declined, what they do is they tell you why. And you have to wait 30 days, but then you can apply again. Now, what you do during that time is you have to fix whatever issue they said you violated or that you didn't comply with. So you've got some time. So you have to do that. Now, if you do submit it initially and you get that 30-day kind of review window, you're wondering, like, what do you do? What do you do in that window? You just keep doing what you do. You keep uploading content. You keep doing your live stream. You keep posting everything. You keep doing everything you were doing because you aren't accepted yet, and they're going to be still looking at your channel. So you want to keep that up there. Now, if you don't start making money until they actually say, okay, you are now a partner. You can now monetize. You can now start making money off ads and all this other stuff. If you had a video blow up, get 1 million views during that review period, and then they say, okay, you're a partner, the money isn't retro, right? It's not retro. So the monetization part starts from whenever they say that you were officially a partner, and then they go. So don't think you're going to go back and get old ad revenue. That's not how it works. Once you hit your numbers, wait for the notification, apply, get an AdSense account, wait until they tell you that you're a partner, and then you can accept the offer and you can be a partner. And then just keep doing what you're doing and start making some money. So there you go. That's how you monetize on YouTube.